Hey everybody, Dominoes 7 here. I want to ask y'all, are y'all enjoying the Jeopardy Teachers Tournament? I hope y'all are, okay? Because I know I am, you know. So, it's been James free for 2 weeks, you know. So, I want to let y'all know something. James will be back Monday. I guarantee y'all that. Well, I shouldn't guarantee y'all because you people already know that James is coming back. Okay? So let's see who will it be to win the teachers tournament. Connor Quinn, I don't know how to pronounce this person's name. Barcombe and Sarah Delavillano, whatever, you know. So after what happened, though, my prediction that Francois, I think that's his name, Francois Sarah Delavillano, I don't know how to pronounce her name, though. Well, my prediction is Francois, whatever his name is, going to win today because yesterday was a runaway. But trust me, he gonna win again today. Okay? Alright? I sure enjoyed today's show. So I think Francois is gonna whip that ass in this tournament. Okay? Trust me on that one. And he'll return to the Tournament of Champions, okay? And then let's see how he'll do against James Holzhauer, okay? Alright, so I hope y'all enjoying the Jeopardy Teachers Tournament, okay? That's all Dominoes something I got to say. Alright, bye.